I need a tow truck.
Battery. It's not flashing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I do need a different one.
Oh boy.
What are you doing? You climbing up? You want to help? Yes.
Mommy and Daddy are stuck on the couch
Hey,
too.
were you singing songs at breakfast? What song were we singing at breakfast?
Where'd you go for breakfast?
Perkins.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good lie.
He was singing when he came back, and I
He's a
think
good
in the
guy.
morning sometimes I hear him singing upstairs.
Oh, wow, he's gonna fall down.
We got you.
We gotcha. We
Oh,
gotcha.
you're slipping. You're slipping. Oh no.
Oh my goodness.
See the picture out on the computer of when you were pregnant?
Yeah. Help, help. I'll get you. Wow. Yay. Oh, he's soft. You fell down.
I'm glad you aimed for the pillows. You're an expert at that. Oh, your feet are stuck under the couch.
You should do some sit-ups. I know, Daddy does sit-ups, doesn't he? Charlie?
Do some sit-ups. Hold your feet. Okay, up. Up. Ready? We go up. Up. One. Okay, down. I'm not doing them. You do 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 the up down. You do them. Mommy will do them. Do we have mommy do them?
Yes.
Yeah, mommy, you do the up and downs.